How do we build this deeper connection with our audience or the people who are going to do business with us? One of my models is I never want to do business with people who I can't vibe with, especially if it's a course that I'm active in or just someone I really can't help. And connection helps you understand that, and connection helps your audience understand that as well. So, two prompts today that you can choose from. If you want to be a super winner, you can choose both of them and post them at different times in your day. But the first one is the point of view. Here's what people get wrong when it comes to a point of view. They're really just regurgitating something that Chat GPT said, or they're just giving somebody else's point of view. You want to give your point of view because information is free. People can find the answers within seconds. They want to hear someone's perspective on the information, which is your point of view, POV. So here's an example. Point of view. I don't believe most coaches have a content problem. I believe most coaches have a clarity problem, and that comes through by how they actually make content. Most of us know how to turn on a phone and make a video. The blockage is usually they're overthinking or there's something inside of them that is not clear yet. And they can't say that out loud. So they make every reason why they can't make content. I don't have time. I don't have technology. I sound crazy. That's what I believe. That's my point of view. You want to share your point of view with your niche and your audience. The second one would be the red flag. So, red flag alert, if a guru is telling you you're going to be a multimillionaire in 30 days by following this 3-step system that they're giving you for free, that's a red flag. A red flag is you helping them to understand that this is probably not right. So, today, pick one or two of those prompts and post it on your social media. After you finish that, you might experience a feeling. Come back in the group in the community tab and let us know how that felt for you. We would love to discuss it. So go be great.